Well, let's shift our focus now. Indian origin gangster Nitish Kaushal, who is a member of the Jaggu Bhagwanpuria organized crime group and wanted by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, has been arrested in the United States. Kaushal is accused of being part of a transnational criminal organization and carrying out kidnappings and assaults. The arrest comes 2 days after the FBI put Kaushal to its most wanted list. A federal arrest warrant was issued against Kaushal on June 25th by the U.S. District Court for the Central District of California after he was charged with conspiracy under the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations or RICO Act of the U.S. Let's in fact take a look at who Nitish Kaushal really is. That will help you understand why he was in fact put on the FBI list, why the FBI actually wanted to arrest him, and what other illegal activities was he in fact linked to. So let's look at his brief profile. He is Hardeep Nitish Kaushal, and he is in fact going around with another name as Lala, and he is a 26-year-old Indian gangster. So he was arrested in the US, but he is originally from India and linked to a gang from India. Now, Nitish Kaushal was born on 15 June 2000, and so he is 26 years old. He belongs to the Jaggu Bhagwanpuria organized crime group based in Punjab. Like I mentioned, he has links to organized crime group in Punjab, and that name is Jaggu Bhagwanpuria organized crime group over here. Now, this crime book actually runs murder, kidnapping, drug trafficking, extortion and smuggling operations. So they are involved in all sorts of illegal activities, all sorts of kidnapping, assault as well. Now, what is he charged with? He is charged with racketeer, influenced and corrupt organizations, or the RICO conspiracy in the US court. So this is the charge that has been framed against Nitish Kaushal. Now, a federal arrest warrant was issued on June 25th, 2026 in Los Angeles, California. That's when a federal warrant actually got out, and that's when this thing started speeding up regarding his arrest. Now, the FBI added him to the most wanted list on June 15th and days before his capture. Remember that they had already been capturing a lot of these individuals who were linked to this organized crime group in Punjab earlier as well, and he was someone who was on the run. So then the FBI started all these operations. This is actually under Operation Hardball. Let me in fact go across to my colleague Javed Hussain, who joins us live on the broadcast with more information. Javed, ये जो नीतीश कौशल है, इंडियन गैंगस्टर है, यूएस में पकड़ा गया है, एफबीआई के वांटेड लिस्ट में था, इसकी जो पूरी लाइफ हिस्ट्री है वो हमें बताएं कि क्या क्या क्राइम में वो इन्वॉल्व था और एफबीआई क्यों इन्हें ढूंढ रही थी।
और देखिए, निशांत कौशल जो है वो जग्गू भगवानपुरिया गैंगस्टर्स का सबसे खास करीबी गैंगस्टर था, जो कि इस वक्त विदेश में बैठकर जग्गू भगवानपुरिया के पूरे क्राइम सिंडिकेट को ऑपरेट कर रहा था। निशांत कौशल जैसे और कई बड़े गैंगस्टर्स हैं जो इस वक्त अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, पुर्तगाल और मिडिल ईस्ट कंट्री में जो बैठे हुए हैं। निशांत कौशल को लेकर अमेरिकी कानून प्रवर्तन अधिकारी और अमेरिकी न्याय विभाग की तरफ से इस पूरे मामले को आगे बढ़ाया गया था, और एफबीआई ने जिस तरीके से ऑपरेशन हार्डबॉल को एग्जीक्यूट किया था, इसमें लॉरेंस बिश्नोई, गोल्डी बरार, रोहित गोदारा और जग्गू भगवानपुरिया के गैंगस्टर्स की लिस्ट शामिल हुई थी। हालांकि जग्गू भगवानपुरिया इस वक्त भारत के असम सिलचर जेल में बंद है, लेकिन वहां से ही वो अपने पूरे क्राइम सिंडिकेट को जो है ऑपरेट कर रहा है। निशांत कौशल को गिरफ्तार किया गया, और जिस तरीके से एफबीआई ने ऑपरेशन हार्डबॉल चलाया था, इस ऑपरेशन में 24 लोग गिरफ्तार हुए थे, और जिस तरीके से अमेरिकी कोर्ट में चार्जशीट को दायर किया गया था फेडरल एसोसिएट्स की तरफ से, उसमें निशांत कौशल का नाम था और जग्गू भगवानपुरिया का जिक्र था। बाकायदा एफबीआई के इस चार्जशीट में बताया गया था कि पंजाब के एक एसएचओ ने जग्गू भगवानपुरिया के इस एसोसिएट यानी कि निशांत कौशल और बाकी कुछ और उसके जो गैंगस्टर्स उनके साथ मिलके एक अमेरिकी एनआरआई के साथ करीब 3 करोड़ रुपए एक्सटॉर्शन को वसूला था, उन्हें डराया था, धमकाया था। निशांत कौशल एक पूरा सिंडिकेट को ऑपरेट कर रहा था। हम आपको बता दें कि प्रिवेंशन मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग एक्ट के तहत भी इसको लेकर तलाश की जा रही थी और भारतीय एजेंसियों का भी ये भगोड़ा था।
जी
हालांकि जग्गू
धन्यवाद
भगवान
आपका
पुरिया अभी
जावेद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. वी आर in fact also being joined by Ambassador Gauri Sankar Gupta, who's a former diplomat. Ambassador, thank you so much for your time and for speaking to NewsX. We appreciate it. I want to, all right, I believe we've lost the connection over there with the ambassador, but remember that this is a major arrest that has happened in the US, and he was on the FBI wanted list. He was in fact also involved in organized crime. He was involved in kidnapping, in drug trafficking, and he has also been charged with the RICO Act of the US, which is racketeer influenced and corrupt organizations. Let me go back to Ambassador Gupta, who is in fact joining us on the broadcast. Ambassador Gupta, thank you so much for speaking to NewsX. When we are looking at this particular case, Nitish Kaushal has now been arrested. He was on the FBI most wanted list. There are other associates of that same Bhagwan Puria gang who have also been arrested by the US. How are you looking at these arrests under Operation Hardball? All right, I believe we've lost the connection over there with Ambassador Gupta.